Hi everyone! Sa video ito, talakayin natin kung paano mag-solve ng rational inequality. Okay? So example number 1, 1 is example number 1, 2x over x plus 1 greater than or equal to 1. Okay. Ang ruling dito, dapat yung isang side ng inequality natin ay maging 0. So, yun yung unang condition. So, para maging 0 itong side natin na to, ilipat natin yung 1 doon. So, ang mangyayari sa rational equation natin ay magiging 2x over x plus 1 minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. So, nilipat natin doon, we transpose. So, this will become negative 1. And then, after that, make sure that the rational expression on the left side must be one rational lang. So, walang isang rational expression lang. So, dito, meron tayong 2x over x plus 1 minus 1. So, dapat pagsamahin natin to. Okay? So, magkakaroon tayo ng LCD. So, ang LCD nila ay x plus 1. Okay? So, LCD divided by the denominator is equal to 1. 1 times 2x is 2x minus. Ang denominator naman neto ay 1. So, LCD divided by the denominator is x plus 1 times the numerator. So, we have negative 1 times x plus 1. Okay, greater than or equal to 0. So, pwede rin naman na ang gawin natin ay yung butterfly method. So, ang denominator ng whole number na to ay 1. So, multiply natin to. That will be the LCD. So, we have x plus 1. And then, ito, di ba? Denominator ay 1. Multiply natin to. That is 2x. Tapos, i-multiply din natin to. Negative 1 times x plus 1. Kaya naging ganito to. So, simplify natin yung numerator. Meron tayong 2x minus x minus 1 over x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. So, dinistribute natin yung negative 1, minultiply natin. Negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times 1, negative 1. So, simplify pa rin natin itong nasa numerator. So, 2x minus x magiging x na lang yung numerator minus 1 over x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Ayan. So, meron na tayong isang single rational expression. So, pagkatapos ng isang single rational expression, make sure na yung numerator mo ay naka-factor form. So, naka-factored na siya. Naka-factor din tong denominator. So kapag naka-factor yung numerator, naka-factor din yung denominator, yan na yung mga gagamitin natin dun sa pagsosolve. Okay. Huwag kakalimutan ang number line. So para alam natin kung ano yung open dot at close dot doon, yung factor ng numerator, equate natin to 0. So we have x is equal to 1. X minus 1 equate to 0. Tapos, yung denominator, equate din natin sa 0. X plus 1 equals to 0. Solve for x. So, ang x natin dito ay x is equal to 1. Dito naman, x is equal to negative 1. Okay, so dalawa yung magiging point natin dun sa number line. So, kung ito ang number line natin, okay, so nandito ang 0 sa gitna, 0, 1, 2. Sa left side naman, meron tayong negative 1, negative 2. So, yung na-solve natin na x, 1. So, i-ano muna natin na open dot muna. Okay? So, negative 1, open dot muna. Kasi, possible na solid dot yan or as is na open dot. Okay. So, i-test natin kung paano natin i-test, malalaman kung solid dot or as is na open dot. So, itong na-solve natin na 1 at negative 1, i-substitute natin doon. So, start muna tayo kay x is equal to 1. Kung ang x natin ay equal to 1, so yung function natin na x minus 1 over x plus 1 or rational expression natin, substitute natin yung 1 dun sa x, magiging 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Then solve the expression. So sa numerator, 1 minus 1, that is 0. Sa denominator ay 1 plus 1, that is 2. 0 divided by 2, that is 0 greater than or equal to 0. So that is true. So kung true yan, ibig sabihin, yung positive 1 natin, ito, positive 1, di ba? Solid that yan. Solid. Okay? Solid yan. Yan, solid. Hindi siya open dot. Next, kapag ang x naman ay natin ay x is equal to negative 2, negative 1, ito naman, ang gamitin natin doon sa expression, so magiging yung x minus 1 natin over x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Yung x natin magiging negative 1 minus 1 over negative 1 plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So yung x natin, pinalitan natin ng negative 1 kasi x is equal to negative 1. Okay, next, solve. We have negative 2 sa numerator over 0 greater than 0. Negative 2 over 0, that is undefined. So kapag undefined, open that yan. Okay? So open that yan. Ayan, open that. Okay, next. Pag na-plot na natin yung points natin na open that or close that, alamin natin kung mag-shade, saan tayo mag-shade ng solution. Okay? Sa solution of inequalities kasi, meron tayong i-shade dito sa number line na to. So, paano yon? Okay. So, gamitin natin, kumuha tayo ng number dito sa left side ni negative 1. Ito. So, ang pwede natin gamitin ay si negative 2. So, if x is equal to negative 2, if x is equal to negative 2, solve natin dun sa rational expression. So, magiging negative 2 minus 1 over negative 2 plus 1. Is it greater than or equal to 0? So, try natin. Negative 2 minus 1 is, sa numerator is negative 3. Negative 2 plus 1 sa denominator is negative 1, greater than or equal to 0. So, we have negative 3 over 1. Negative divided by negative, that is positive. 3 over 1 is 3, greater than or equal to 0. Is it true or false? That is true. So, kung true yan, isi-shade natin tong side na to. Okay? Shaded yan. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng number dito sa left side ni negative 1 ay magiging solution. Okay? Dito naman tayo sa gitna. So, kung dyan tayo sa gitna, kumuha tayo ng number sa between negative 1 and 1. So, ito. So, kuha lang tayo ng isa. So, pwede yung 0. If x is equal to 0, so yung inequalities natin magiging 0 minus 1 over x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. So, 0 minus 1 sa numerator, yung denominator pala. So, yung denominator natin maging 0 din, yung x, 0 plus 1. So, 0 minus 1 sa numerator, meron tayong negative 1. 0 plus 1 sa denominator is positive 1. Negative 1 over 1, that is negative 1. Okay? Sige. Negative 1, di ba? Greater. Is it true that negative 1 is greater than or equal to 0? That is false. Okay? So, kung false yan, hindi tayo mag-shade dito. So, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-shade yan. Ibig sabihin, yung mga numbers dito are not solution of the rational inequality. So, itest naman natin dun sa kanan naman ni 1. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng number dito sa right side. Pwedeng ang x is equal to 2 naman. So, if x is equal to 2, so substitute natin dito, dun sa x, magiging 2 minus 1 over 2 plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So, 2 minus 1 in the numerator, that is 1. 2 plus 1 sa denominator, that is 3. Greater than or equal to 0. 1/3 is greater than or equal to 0. Is it true or false? Yes. A positive number is always greater than or equal to 0. So, this is true. So, therefore, we're going to shade this part of the number line. It means, itong numbers dito sa right side, hanggang sa walang hanggan sa kanan ni 1 ay solution set. Okay? So, let's write now our solution. So, paano natin isusulat? So, kapag interval notation, pwedeng nakasulat na ito, from negative infinity to negative 1. Dahil hindi kasama si negative 1, open that siya, parenthesis. Okay? Yun yun. Okay? Ito naman, solid dot, kabilang si 1, bracket, 1 to positive infinity. So, positive infinity. So, this will be the solution. Pwede rin naman na ang final answer natin ay ito. What is the value of x here? X is less than negative 1. Or, x values natin is greater than 1. Okay? So, yan yung dalawang format ng solutions natin. Pagsulat ng answer. So, ayan. So, that's the way how are you going to solve rational inequality 2x over x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 1.